And to end our news bulletin for tonight, weekend events leading up to the Constitution celebrations next week was plentiful, and even the rain didn't deter people from joining the fishing competition or the launch of the Hikulangi Park on Saturday. The Baka fishing competition saw little of the larger fish, but plenty of bottom fish. The competition allowed fishermen to fish in their own areas around the island, but all weigh-ins at the wharf in Alofi. This Thursday, the Niue Fishermen's Association is holding their own boat and reef fishing competition. Also, over the weekend, the launching of the Hikulangi Park in conjunction with the Global 350.org climate change initiative was also attended by a few people who were happy to create sculptures for the park. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.